Hello students, today we will learn about adjectives. So let's start. An adjective describes a noun. What is an adjective? It describes a noun or it shows the quality of a noun. Here are some things adjectives help us to express. What adjectives help us? First, physical and other qualities. It can help us to express the physical and other qualities of a noun like purple blouse, square plot, enormous parcel, pleasant weather, beautiful girl, wonderful person. Okay. Now, perceptions, attitudes or opinions like difficult problem, wonderful surprise, degree of extent, total waste. You are doing the hard work, it is total waste. Probable victory. Frequency of something, yearly conference, annual rainfall, annual function like that. Location or place, external area, suburban rail. Okay. Forms of adjectives. Now here are the forms of adjectives. There are 3 forms of adjectives. While the form of adjectives does not change with the noun it describes, they do not change with the noun that it is describing. We use special forms when we compare 2 or more things. It is a comparative degrees also we can say. When we are comparing 2 or more things, we use their different forms. Okay. So, the comparative and superlative forms of many adjectives takes er and est at the end. Like if we are saying large, then larger and largest. Large is a positive degree, okay. It is comparative degree and it is superlative degree. When you are saying something in general like I am having a large box, it means it is general. I am having a larger box than you, तुमसे ज़्यादा बड़ा box. So when we are comparing between 2 things, we will use comparative. If I am saying I am having the largest box then all of you means सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा. If we are comparing with 2 more things more than 2, then we will use superlative degree. Typically longer adjectives take more and most. If the adjective is long, typically long, it will take more and most. Like meritorious, more meritorious, most meritorious. Nouns as adjectives. Some nouns are here that we can use as adjectives. Like many nouns double up as adjectives in noun phrases. कुछ nouns ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें हम double up करते हैं. Like cricket match, tomato soup, education sector, cotton sari, adventure spot. Now here is the another topic which is position of adjectives. Let's see. What is the position of adjectives? Look. We can place the adjectives before the noun or as a complement after a verb. When we can place the adjective before a noun or as a complement after a verb. Got it? Attributive and predicative adjectives. Attributive means attributive adjectives are placed before the noun. Attributives can be placed before a noun. Okay, and predicatives are placed as a complement after verbs. They will be used as a complement after verbs. So, look at the attributive. The whale is the largest mammal. Before a noun, it is the largest mammal. This is an empty nest. Nest is the noun and before we have placed. Predicative adjectives are placed as a complement after verbs such as be, get, become, seem, appear, sound, etc. Like this nest is empty. It is a verb and here is the adjective. That sounds lovely. Sound is a verb and it is adjective. There are specific adjectives that we can only use before the noun. Some of the adjectives are specific that can only be used with a noun only. Noun adjectives like chess tournament. Tournament of chess हम नहीं कह सकते. Some adjectives of place and degrees. Some are the adjectives of place and degree. Like inner, outer, upper, lower, main, principal. Like the lower tire. The tire is lower नहीं होता. The principal cause. The cause is principal? No. Similarly, There are some adjectives that we can only use predicatively. Look, predicatively means at the end. Adjectives prefixed by alive, asleep, alike. ऐसे adjectives जिनकी word के आगे a लगाया जाता है. The twins are alike means एक जैसे. They are alike twins, it is wrong. Second, some feelings and health words, glad, pleased, well, ill. Like the teacher is pleased. The teacher is she is a pleased teacher. It is wrong word. Now, here we are going to talk about order of adjectives. Order of adjectives. In which order? If in a sentence there are more than 2 adjectives, what will be the order? When 2 or more adjectives are used before a noun, if there is a need to use 2 or more adjectives before a noun, so what will be the order? So here is a particular order. The first will be number, the second opinion, the third size, quality, age, shape, color, origin, material and purpose. So these are the 10 orders. Number means 1 to 3, opinion means wonderful, size means large, short, quality means soft, hard, age means old or new, shape means circular, triangular, color means red, yellow, blue, origin means Italian or Indian, material means glass or wooden, purpose means cleaning or whatever. So when we use 2 adjectives of the same category, the shorter of the 2 will first. Like if you are using the adjective of this category, like if this category adjective like large, new, large, small and tall, if you are using these 3 words of this category, so what is the shorter in the spelling will be on the first position, like tired, hungry, boy. So tired is the shorter. Honest, trustworthy person, a lovely new wooden shawl, a clear cloudless blue sky, 3 old green plastic water bottles, a large heavy carved wooden box. And now here is a note for you. It is better not to use too many adjectives in a sentence, because if you are writing something, it will spoil your writing. In order to keep our writing simple and appealing, if you want to keep your writing simple, if you want to keep your writing appealing, you should not use too many adjectives. 1 or 2 is okay. Understood? Now the next topic is participial adjectives. The next topic is participial adjectives. The participles, both present participles and past participles, can also do the work of adjectives. These are called participial adjectives. Present participles and past participles. Present participles means this one, past participle means this one, the second form of the verb. Both can do the work of adjectives. Okay. The ing forms of participial adjectives means the present participles help us describe what something is like. What is something like? कोई चीज़ किस तरह की है? Its effect on us, what it can affect. An interesting book. If we are reading a book, it will create interest in us. The match was exciting. What will be the effect? Excitement. The ed forms of the participial adjectives help us describe how we feel about something or the state of our feelings. What are the state of our feelings? It describes. Like an agitated crowd. The crowd was agitated means troublesome. What we feel? That the crowd is agitated, irritating. Sheila was bored. I was bored. You were bored. You were excited. So these are the feelings that ed forms of participle describes. Understood? So it was all about the adjectives. In the adjectives, what we have learned today, we have learned basic adjectives, their forms that are 3: positive, comparative and superlative, then the positions of adjectives, then the order of adjectives, and now the participle adjective. These things we have understood today, and I hope that you will keep all these things in your mind. Happy learning. Thank you and have a nice day.